channel. It's early morning, but it's a London day, and I am going to take you guys with me because I've got a very exciting day ahead. It's something I've not done before, and I'm very excited to take you guys along with me. So let's go. But I'm going to start my day with a gym session, so I'm ready for London. Before I get going, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's go. Breakfast is done. I am all ready. I've got lots of stuff. I've got some more bags for the event I'm going for. I'm taking you with me, so don't worry, I'll show you what I've got. And I'm all set. It's sunny. Got my glasses. So let's get the train into London. I've got quite a lot of stuff today actually. I've got something in here. I've got second bag and the third bag. I've just had a little apple and the sun is shining. So I have arrived at my destination in London. Oh my god, all my bags, and they are heavy, so I'm looking forward to getting, so I can get rid of these bags. Okay, so I'm gonna get the lift to the top floor as I'm here going to the highest level in this building. It's the 13th of May, 23 degrees in London, going to the 60th floor with my baggages of some of the ingredients in here. So I'm back at the Gordon Ramsay's restaurant where I came for the opening. If you guys remember, I did a vlog. It's a beautiful day. This is not my stop. I am going one stop further to the academy. So I've reached the academy and I'm going to quickly have a little bite to eat before I set up for the cooking lesson here. So I've arrived at my final destination, which is Gordon Ramsay Academy, powered by Hexclad. I'm here to do a cooking lesson and I'm very excited. I've got some friends coming over and it should be good fun. So I need to unpack and get ready for the class, get all the ingredients out. I've already put my bags in, have my hands free to make this video, and here it is. So I made this cake last night and got some lemon curd in it, some fresh cream, and I've just picked up some fresh raspberries and blueberries to finish and top the cake with that, and some blueberries for good measure. I'm just finishing it with some passion fruit on top. Okay, so everything's set for the class. Got my apron on. Actually, it matches my outfit. The stations are all set up, all the ingredients are out. We are going to make 3 things. Going to start with the starter, then got some curry and some rice for the mains. I just want to show you how beautiful this setting of this school is. Not an ordinary view, absolutely stunning. London Bridge, hello, and the sunshine. And the recipes that we are making today are from my book, Classic Indian Recipes. So this is where they're going to sit and enjoy the food.
Thank you.
Very puri. So it's just puri with potatoes. We're going to move on to the curry. So for the curry, can we please chop some shallots, not you. Pass you the shallots. If you chop the shallots as finely as you want, and once they are done, we're going to start cooking them, and then we'll chop some ginger and garlic. I've got ginger for you. Black salt, cumin. Yeah, that's really good. Get that on your plates. Get your rice with this.
Great. Everyone say Chetna.
Margarita with these views. Okay, so the cooking lesson was amazing. I had a great time teaching everyone. Everyone loved the food that they cooked. Sat down, had the meal, had the cake, and I gave the phone to somebody to take glimpses of it, so I have no idea what they've shot. I'm going to have a look at what clips we got, and then we had a quick drink at Lucky Cat with the beautiful sunset views of London. And now I've got one bag less because the cake has gone and all the ingredients are gone, so I'm nice and light. And I am heading home, so I'm going to catch a train. Got a piece of cake in my bag for the train. I didn't get to eat at that time. And yeah, I look forward to editing this video and sharing it with you guys. So let's see, I need to pick up something from the station to eat. I haven't eaten yet. Okay, so I picked up some hummus and I've got some crisps. And that is what I'm going to have for my dinner. Delicious, healthy, unhealthy. Okay, so that is a wrap on the day. I finally got to have some of the cake, which was delicious. And I am almost home now, and it's almost midnight, and I am buzzing from the evening. I had such a good time, and most importantly, my guests, the people who came to the academy to cook with me, had a great time, enjoyed the food, said they will make the curry again at home. And that's what it is all about, really. Picking some tips, cooking something new, learning something, even if it's a little something new. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you back again from my kitchen with a new recipe soon. Bye for now.